Hello, welcome to my channel again.
Today, in this video, we are going to see about the tokens in C language. The tokens are the smallest possible building blocks of C language, which are understandable by the compiler and they have specific meaning so that a specific action is taken by the compiler on seeing those tokens. The types of tokens: keywords, identifiers, variables, constants, strings, special characters, and operators. Coming to keywords, there are 32 keywords in C language that are reserved and which cannot be used as an identifier. Each of this keyword has specific internal operations to be performed by the compiler, and the keywords are tabulated here. The keywords contains auto, break, case, care, const, continue, default, double, etc. as you can see in this tabular column. Identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to identify the data and other objects such as variables, functions, statement labels, etc. And we have certain rules for forming the identifiers. They are: the identifiers can have only alphanumeric characters, that is A to Z and 0 to 9. And also it can include a special character which is underscore. The first character of the identifier can be an alphabet or underscore. It cannot be a number. Identifiers are also case sensitive. That is, an identifier with small a is different from an identifier with capital A. And the keywords which we saw in the previous slides cannot be used as an identifier. No special characters such as semicolon, full stop, white space, slash, or comma are permitted to be used as an identifier. And also, no white spaces can be added in between the identifier. In case if you want to separate the words, you can use the underscore. Here you can see few valid identifiers for roll number and some invalid identifiers. Variables. Normally, the data storage location in a computer is identified by numbers, and these numbers are very difficult to be remembered by the humans. Therefore, they give a meaningful name to the data storage location which can be easily recalled by the human. Those are called as the variables. The variables can be categorized into numeric variables and character variables. Let us consider an example A. It can be said to be a numeric variable when a number is assigned to it, and this numeric variable can be of integer value or floating point value and can be of any types such as short, long, signed or unsigned. And this variable can be called as a character variable if any alphabet, number or special characters are enclosed inside the single quotes is assigned to it. Constants. Constants are identifiers whose value do not change as that of a variable, and these values remain constant for the entire program. They are known to the compiler only during the compile time, and they are used to define the values such as pi or any scientific constants. And these constants can be categorized into integer constants, floating point constants, character constants, or string constants. We can see the example for the constants. An integer constant can be of a positive number, long unsigned, negative, octal, or a hexadecimal number. Each of these different types of integer constants can be identified by specific letters. That is, long can be identified by the letter L, which can be of either capital or small. The same comes for unsigned by the letter U, and for long unsigned LU. Negative number is represented by minus. An octal number starts with small o and hexadecimal with 0x. The character constant is nothing but any alphabet or symbol or a number which are enclosed inside a single quotes or a double quotes. And these characters are stored as ASCII codes. ASCII is nothing but American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And the floating point numbers can be of negative or positive numbers which are decimal. In case if you want to treat a double as a float, we use a key letter called as F. And string, the string is a combination of letters, symbols, and special characters which are enclosed inside single quotes or double quotes. But to the end of the string, the compiler attach a backslash 0 for indicating the end of the string. And these constants are identified by the keyword const or hash define. So here we are seeing an example for declaring pi value as a constant, as const as a keyword, and it is a floating point value. So we use another keyword called as float followed by the variable pi, which is equal to the value we have given or we have assigned for the pi. Next, the alternate example for defining the constant is hash define the keyword followed by the variable name pi followed by the value given for the variable name. Special characters are the symbols which have specific meaning in C language. You can see different special characters in this tabular column, which may include the tilde symbol, at symbol, ampersand, dollar, a white space, exclamatory mark, comma, period, etc.
Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.